The Premier Volleyball League, PVL, will open its highly anticipated first professional season in a bubble in Loag, Ilocos Norte on July 17. PVL President Ricky Pilo confirmed the development on Sunday, as the league gears up for its opening after several delays brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. The league, which turned professional in November 2020, initially planned to start its open conference in May in a bubble at the Inspire Sports Academy in Calamba, Laguna. However, those plans had to be shelved after the government imposed stricter quarantine measures in NCR+ due to a spike in COVID-19 cases in the country. The PVL is now expected to hold its games at the Loag Centennial Arena. According to Pilo, the schedule for the conference is still being prepared. 12 teams will compete in the PVL's first season as a professional outfit: Volleyball, Porras, Cherry Tigo, Choco Muto, Signal HD, Creamline, F2 Logistics, Petrogas, Philippine Army, PLDT Home Fiber, Santa Lucia and UAC Power Hitters. The PVL had welcomed several teams from the Philippine Superliga earlier this year. While NCR+ remains under general community quarantine until the end of the month, several teams have set up bubble training camps in different areas. PLDT trained in Tagaytay in May, while Porras headed to Baguio. Signal HD and F2 Logistics trained in Batangas, while Volleyball set up its camp in San Fernando, Pampanga.